Hello guys, welcome back to Ray's Gaming and Tech Productions, and today I'm going to show you guys the best settings for Nvidia control panel for Nvidia GPUs. Now this video will be helping people get way better FPS than they usually do without doing this. So if you guys end up enjoying this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn notifications. And disclaimer, this only works for Nvidia GPUs, of course, and I will be making a video about AMD GPUs, and I'll go over that. I actually have an AMD GPU. That's what I used to use before I got this 1030. So that will be a video for later. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get to the video. So you guys see here, you want to open your NVIDIA control panel, and you want to. I'm just going to go through all of these, and you can just copy what I do, and everything that I have right now, it is helping me get way better FPS than I usually have, because my GPU isn't really the best GPU, so I had to find ways to make my games look better and perform better. So the first one is adjust image settings with preview. Now this will actually help pretty good or pretty well, because games like Fortnite, Warzone, this will alter the way that your video look or your image looks in the game. So if you go down here and you see use my preference emphasizing, if you usually it'll be up here. So I'll show you what it looks like. It looks clean and crisp. But if you don't really care too much about how it looks, then I would personally put it on performance. Now if you want to have a little bit of quality and a little bit of performance, you want it to be shared or balanced, you would put it on balance. Now if you want maximum performance, I advise you to just put it on performance. Now the next one is manage 3D settings. This is where you're going to want to look at everything I do and copy everything that I have. So image sharpening off and scaling disabled, ambient occlusion off, anisotropic filtering off, anti-aliasing FXAA off, anti-aliasing gamma correction off, anti-aliasing mode off, anti-aliasing setting none, and anti-aliasing transparency off. Those two, if you set anti-aliasing off, then you won't have to worry about these. These will automatically be none and off. And background application max frame rate off, CUDA GPUs all. And if you're doing editing, then I advise you guys to do this. And sometimes some games or some apps that you download might need to use your CUDA. The only thing I know that CUDA is used for is for Premiere Pro. It might be used for other things, or just for any editor to get better quality in your editing. DSR factors off. And if you turn that off, then DSR smoothness will automatically be off. Low latency mode off. Max frame rate off. Multi-frame sampled AA off. OpenGL rendering GPU, set it on your GPU. Power management mode, make sure to put it on prefer maximum performance. Shader cache size, put on driver default. Texture filtering and anisotropic sample, whatever that says, on. Texture filtering negative LOD bias, allow. Texture filtering quality, high performance. Texture filtering trilinear optimization on. Threaded optimization on. Triple buffering off, and of course vertical sync off. Now you can just keep this on one. This is for virtual reality. It really won't make much of a change unless you actually use virtual reality on your PC. So even if you put it on 0, it won't make much of a change. Now set physics configuration. So make sure that whatever you do, you apply it. And you want to it says select a physics processor. Just put it on auto select recommended, so that you don't put it on a certain one, like your CPU or your GT10 or whatever GPU you have. You just put it on auto select, because then you don't have to worry about any problems. Change resolution, you want to make sure that you have it on your native monitor's resolution. And refresh rate, make sure it's on your monitor's refresh rate. So mine is 75 Hertz. Now use default color settings. Just put it on that. You don't have to worry about the use Nvidia color settings. The next is one of these that will help you. Yeah, it's this one. So this one is the adjust desktop color settings. So you don't really have to worry about this. This is automatic, but you just copy everything. If you put it on digital vibrance, any game that you play will look like it'll shine. So if you even with horrible graphics, it'll make it look decent. Put the content type reported to the to the display and put it on auto select, and it says recommended. Rotate display, this one doesn't really matter. Just put it on landscape so you don't click one of these and then it changes your whole screen. This one doesn't really matter. Setup digital auto, that one audio doesn't really matter unless you have something you need to do. Like most Nvidia graphics card comes with some type of audio that comes out of it, or it connects with your monitor. I don't know how it works, but yeah. Adjust desktop and position. You want to make sure this is on full screen, or well, depending on how you play your games. I personally usually play mine on full screen or aspect ratio, or if you don't want to do any scaling, then don't do that. But if you put it on full screen, then it'll scale it as if it's on full screen, and that might give you better performance whenever you're playing it aspect ratio. Now set up multiple displays. This is if you have multiple monitors. Adjust video color settings, put it on with the video player settings, and last but not least, adjust video image settings. Keep them on default and use inverse telesign. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys ended up enjoying this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. And with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.